Hey guys, so today's video is going to be the Boxycharm Premium unboxing. I am very excited about this one. I'm actually on the wait list for it to purchase it myself, but Boxycharm surprised me at my door with this box. So I'm really stoked to check it out. So this one retails for $35 and it has $175 value in it. And it's monthly, it's beauty products. You get 6 to 7 items in it and one choice item, and it's customized to you. Boxycharm is seriously stepping up their game right now, and I'm very intrigued to see what's in this box. But before we get into the unboxing, if you're brand new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Madison. If you guys love unboxing videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We are unboxing so many subscription services over here. I am so excited to be bringing back these unboxings. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you love them too, and comment down below what subscription services you want me to subscribe to and box to kind of see if they're worth it or not. So leave those down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and let's get into it. Okay, so here is the Boxycharm Premium box, and then this is the regular Boxycharm box. So you guys can kind of see a difference in sizes. So let's go ahead and open this one up. Boom, says Premium on the inside. So it sticks with the same theme that was in the November Boxycharm box, where it's called Stellar. So this is the little card, and you get all the info of what you get in your box right here on the card. And then beautiful Nikita Dragon. Alrighty, so jumping in here. Oh my God, we have a Becca product. Okay, so we have a Becca Glow Gloss Champagne Cream in here. What? This one retails for $22. Illuminate your lips with a luxe conditioning lip color that combines the shine of a gloss and nourishing benefits of a balm. I didn't even know Becca had lip glosses. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Look at the packaging. Very, very intrigued right now. This is beautiful. Okay, so here is the gloss swatched on my hand. I'm actually gonna go ahead and top this one on my lips. I'm actually wearing Becca Sugar. You guys know I'm obsessed with Becca Sugar. It's the best lipstick, hands down. So we're gonna top it off with this gloss and take a look to see how it looks. It's pretty, it's really pretty. And it's a nice, thin, lightweight gloss too. That is really, really nice. It has vitamin E, shea, and muru butters for soft, supple lips. Already giving this a thumbs up. I'm very excited about that. I did not know that Becca had those lip glosses. Beautiful. Alrighty, so next up we have a QMS Intensive Eye Care Medi Cosmetics. So I have never heard of this brand before. We've never had these on the Ipsy side, because that's one thing that's pretty interesting, is that seeing what brands are in so many different subscription boxes, and this one I've never heard of. So it's an eye cream, and I'm always down to try out new eye creams. It says that this one, it retails for $150. Wow. That's expensive. A nurturing formula developed to rejuvenate, hydrate, and care for the sensitive skin around the eyes. So let's take a look at it. Let's take off the protective cover, set that down. Ooh, it's a nice thicker eye cream. Let me show you guys the inside of it right there. It's got, oh yeah, it's definitely thicker of an eye cream. I would recommend this one more so for the nighttime rather than the morning, because I feel like this is going to make your concealer slip and slide underneath those eyes, but this feels like it would be really good for the nighttime. So I'm definitely gonna put this into my bathroom to try this out and see. One thing is, like, eye creams can be a hit or a miss for me, because some of them can really irritate my eyes and then some of them work great, but we'll see if that one ends up irritating it, but it feels good from first impression. You've got to be kidding me right now. We have a Natasha Denona product in here. What the heck? Where did this come from? Natasha Denona is so expensive. Okay, so we have, all right, I'm sorry. I'm like literally shocked right now. So we have the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow Palette. Retails for $55. It's the ultimate glow palette inspired by Natasha Denona's best-selling Diamond and Blush palette, featuring some of her best-selling shades and formulas. Wow. Oh my goodness. So here are the colors on the inside. This is such an awesome little palette. So this side, it says Glow, Blush, and then Duo Glow and Glow Extreme. So definitely, like, for me, I don't think I can use this shade. I think it's gonna be too dark. Oh, it's like a cream. Yeah, the shade is gonna be too dark on me, but it's a cream. And then so is the other side. It's a glow cream base. So you would use this as a base for any other highlight right there. Let me wash off my fingers so that way I can get into the powder ones. And then Glow Extreme is right here. So let's swatch this one. That's a pretty highlight right there. So here is the Glow Extreme. That one's actually really pretty. Then we have the Duo Glow, which is right here. This is more of a blush topper for me because it's a little bit darker, but these are pretty. This is a very unique palette. You get 2 cream products and you get 2 powder products. So very neat, very exciting, especially if you've been wanting to try out Natasha Denona. This is a great way to try out some of her products. So that's cool. I have to say though, out of this palette, the one that I'm gonna be probably using the most is definitely this one. This is a really pretty shade that I would love to pop on my cheekbones, which I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so we're gonna take this brush, go right in, and pop this on. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm gonna go on the other side. That definitely stepped up my highlighter right now, because right now I'm wearing the Benefit Cookie one, which is a very toned down highlight. It's not like crazy, like boom in your face. I think that's really, really pretty. Definitely stoked about that highlight. I think it's gorgeous. So that's a thumbs up right there. And then I think Kapari, oh my God. Okay, so sorry, I'm like excited. We have the Kapari Coconut Rose Toner Refresh and Balance. All right, so this is what the packaging looks like right here. It's really cute. And it says that it's a vegan, alcohol-free, and multitasking toner to keep redness at bay. Definitely for me, because you guys know that my skin can get aggravated pretty easily and it will get splotchy red. So this sounds like it'll be really good for it. And that it can also be used as a face primer, a setting spray, and a quick refresh throughout the day. So a setting spray too. So I'm actually gonna try this out really quickly. Ooh. I'm having so much fun with this unboxing. I'm really stoked about this. The mister was nice. It wasn't like crazy light mist like the Caudalie is, but it's still a nice mister. It's not like a shoot in your face mister. So it's definitely on the skin right now. So it'll be interesting to see when it dries down. Let's dry down. Let's dry down. I need one of those little fans, like, you know, that you do at the eyelash places. When I get my lash extensions, she has one that she does to dry the glue down. That's what I need right now. That is actually really, really nice. I can say my skin is so dry right now. I baked today and it was like my skin was so dry. It was like, what were you thinking about baking when your skin is this dry? No, this is a no-go right now. And I feel like I'm just like, oh, I'm very dry. So this, I'm definitely gonna be drenching on my skin later. But that one feels really nice and it looks like it's set really nicely on my skin too. So I like that. Next up, oh, we have a Dragon Beauty. So this is where you're seeing Nikita Dragon in here with her, get the full fantasy with 15% off with your next purchase over $80. So Boxy Dragon right there. So excited for her. She's killing it right now. So we have the Dragon Beauty Skin Perfecting Potion, Shake Well Before Use. So I have seen her show this so much, you guys, and I'm very excited to try this out and very intrigued. I don't know how it's gonna work for me, to be honest, because I am so fair. I don't know how I'm gonna get this to cover up with a lighter foundation going on top of it. But I've watched her do so many demonstrations of it and other people do demonstrations of it. So I'm gonna give it a go and see, crossing fingers that it works out for me. I also don't really though have dark circles. That's one area where I'm very fortunate in. I do have the texture. I do have like the splotchiness of redness, but those are my main skin concerns and my dryness, obviously, because I'm so dry right now. I'm definitely gonna give this a go. Crossing fingers that I can make it work. All right, so last but not least, what I showed in my last Boxycharm video was Boxycharm's brush set. So Boxycharm came out with their own brush set. They had 2 face brushes in there that I have yet to try out, and it looks like in here you get their 5-piece brush sets, which are fairly similar right here. So these are them, same type of handle and everything. These ones retail for $65. These oval shaped and ultra soft luxury brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty free. So you definitely get a few different ones. I do wish that they would have put like what type of brush it is on the handle because they don't have any description. It just says Boxycharm. So you get this flat one right here, which looks like a concealer brush. Actually, this one will probably be pretty interesting to carve out my brows with. I'm gonna try that out tomorrow. And then you get a crease brush for blending out shadow into the crease. Then we have another one of the oval powder multi-purpose ones that you can use for cream products, liquids, powders, all that fun stuff. So this is that face one, and then we have the foundation one here. And then we have more of this little smaller one that would be really good for contouring, I wanna say. Like say if you wanna do a cream contour right here by your nose, or just want some more definition, a more precise brush for that. That's what this one will probably be good for. Again, I'm not that thrilled. I think that the ones I'm most excited to try out are these two guys. And it's because my makeup routine is very simple now, and I feel like this is just going to complicate it. I don't have the time for that. I rather have brushes that are easy to use, quick for me. I'm a mom, but I mean, if you're really into makeup and you have hours and hours to do your makeup, these will be fun to do. But these ones I'm actually mostly excited about are these two. So I'll let you guys know how they work for me and whatnot. So definitely stay up to date on my Instagram stories. But that is everything in this box. I have to say, I'm very impressed with this box. You have Natasha Denona, you have Kapari, you have Dragon Beauty, you have Becca. Like you have so many big name brands in this box. I do love getting smaller brands because it really helps you introduce you to other smaller brands, and you can find like new like diamond in the rough products. But it is also really exciting to see so many kind of diamond brands in here that you're getting such a great bang for your buck. Again, this box is $35, right? Premium, $35. And you get all of these products for $35. This is crazy. I have to say, this is an amazing box. I'm very impressed by this, by the brands, by the quality of the products in here. I'm very impressed, and I cannot wait to see what else is going to come. I'm definitely gonna have a link down below if you guys wanna check it out for yourself, but wow. Very impressed. Let me know. I believe these ones are also semi-customized. So let me know if you guys get this one too and what you got in your box this month. Again, I'm very intrigued to see what is the full range of products offered for the months, but let me know in the comments down below. Very impressed though. Have to give this one a big thumbs up. I'm blown away. I'm really blown away. So yeah, anyways, stay tuned for my future unboxings and make sure to subscribe for those. And I will see you guys in my next video.